All right, August 19, 2019, Monday, Math 8, live stream. Today we're talking about approximating complex square roots, and that is the Highland cow. What is the current learning goal? Well, I'm using the seating chart right here. I'm going with Cassidy. Cassidy, current learning goal.
I can work with the entire real number system.
And then Marvin, why?
There are a bunch of numbers besides 1, 2, and 3, and I want to be able to use them.
Yes, you do. And we've already talked that estimating is a great skill to have in general, and that's why we're doing this. Even if we don't estimate square roots in our normal life, we do estimate other things. So we're working on that. So before we get too crazy, we're going to do a problem from Friday, or from Thursday, the square root of 41. So in your notes, I need the square root of 41. And then I'm going to ask Narena to kind of explain to me how to do the square root of 41. Or do I have to sing for you? How would you do this kind of thing?
I use the neighbors.
Okay, we're going to find the neighbors to the square root of 41. So raising a hand, who knows one of the neighbors? Griffin.
36.
36 is a neighbor. You know the other neighbor, Ganter, Shane?
49.
Beautiful. Shane Ganter says 49. Maddie, what's the square root of 36?
6.
Perfect. I'm still looking for Samuel.
The square root of 49 is 7.
Beautiful. So what are all the possible numbers in between that we could go with? I could go with 6.3, 6.1,
6.4.
6.2, 6.3, 6.4.
6.5.
Nice. 6 see. Where am I at? 8, 6.8, 6.9, right? I'm just saying, hey, these are all the things in between that we may or may not use. Would I ever use 7.1 here?
No.
Would I use 5.9?
No.
6 point, say with me, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, 6.5, 6.6, 6.7, 6.8, 6.9. Okay, those are your options. What do you think? What do you think, Michael?
6.7.
He's going 6.7. What would you go with, Dakota?
6.4.
I think I would go in the low end of this. Either right in the middle, 6.5, or push it a little bit low. It's a little bit lower. It's a little bit closer to the 36 than the 49. So, but would I ever go with 6.1 on this?
No.
6.9?
No.
Nah, this guy's I'm middle-y. I don't know if that's a word. Middle-y.
I mean, you made it worse, so.
I'm making a word. I make up my own language. Mahula. Okay. Mahala? That's a mahalo. That's something in Hawaiian, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
mahalo. All right.
Just a konnichiwa.
But now, let's approximate. In your notes, I want you to write down the following. Approximate the square root of that. Talk to your neighbor, and you come up with a method that you think is going to work. Talk to your neighbors, and then give it a shot.
I think you might say 45 minus 4, and then 21, and then I think 21 square root, and then you do but let's do that.
Square root of 45 is minus
16 and 25. 16 I'll be that's 4, and then that's 5. So I'd say 0.6, whatever it is. So this one would be 4, 16, and then this one should be 5. So I think it should be 4.6.
So write it out, give it a shot. How would you handle this? And you're sharing your knowledge?
Yeah, we did. We got there.
Big break.
So Brooke, what's your method here? Okay, so then you got a 3. All right, okay, so you did the square root of 25, which is 5, and then you subtracted 4, and then you got a 1. Is that your logic? Okay. Does somebody have a different logic here? Let's go with Narena.
You subtract 25 and 4 and then do the neighbor system.
Okay, so you did 25 minus 4, which is 21, and then I think you probably did a 16 and a 25. And you said it was between, okay, what are my possibilities here? Do it with me. 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.8, 9, 10. Okay, got it. Okay. So, and where would you put that at, Narena?
I would put it at a 4.5.
I think at 4.5. Okay. So you have a 4.5. Did anybody do anything differently? If you have a 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, I'm happy. But I'm happy enough. Tell me something different.
The square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 4 is 2. So I subtracted 2 from 5 and got 3.
All right. So these are the options people gave me. Some people said 1, some said 4.5, and some said 3. Only one of these is correct. Hungerford, which one do you think is correct?
4.5.
He's saying 4.5. Michael?
I agree with that.
Agrees. Griffin? Cassidy? It is 4.5.
Big break.
Let's look at another one, and then we'll take some more notes on this. 4.5 is correct. How about this one? Write it down. And talk to your neighbor about this one.
You don't do the math yet, you do the square root of 5. And then add it
Is this one?
This one is like our logic.
So this one.
I already got
Yes.
5.
Do you see the difference between the two problems? Let's do this.
Yeah.
Whereas this one is square root plus 5 square root of 1.
It's the difference of one big square root versus two. Do you see the difference? One big square root and one square root.
Your table was
How did you week?
I had a lot. I did a lot. Mine and nested notes and baseball games for like 3 hours, and then we went to batting cages. I had private lesson for the hitting coach.
All right. So, Paulette, how did you do this one?
I took the square root of 25, which is 5.
Got it.
And then the square root of 9, which is 3. And then we added them to get 8.
We get 8. What's the difference here, Braden, in the two types of problems? What's the difference between this one and this one?
Instead of 25 minus 4, you can't do it yet, but you have to do the simplify it first, or like the square root first, and then you could add it on that one, and then on that one, you minus it right away, and it's a minus sign, now it's a plus sign.
All right, so in our class, we're going to practice using language like a scalpel. A scalpel is a really, really sharp knife that a surgeon uses, and it's precise, and it just does exactly what it needs to do. Versus a machete, where you're
Machetes are fun though.
They are fun, but there's a place for a machete when you're hacking through the Amazon versus a place for a scalpel when when you're getting heart surgery. You see the difference. So in our class, We're going to try to use scalpels with our language. So here in our notes, write down these two guys and put 36, square root of 36 plus square root of 4 versus 36 plus 4 like this. Write both these into your notes. And we're going to use our language like a scalpel to explain the two types of problems. So write what's on the board and wait for me. We're not yet. We're gonna create a rule for this. So using language like a scalpel, how would you explain the method here to somebody that's not in this class right now? Maddie?
So you have to find the square root of 36.
I'm going to stop right there. Don't give me any numbers. We're staying really high level. If you had, because maybe the numbers change. How would you explain, what's your big picture, a high level, how do you do this? You want another shot at it?
No,
Okay, that's cool. Andrew?
Find the square root of the two numbers and then add them to find the sum. Total.
Okay, I completely agree with that. I like your language, tighten it up just a little bit. Take not as many words. I think we can be more precise with our language. I totally agree with you. Cut out some of the words.
Square root is a root.
And Talitha.
I'm gonna do
I am confident that most of you could get the correct answer for this. We're practicing language right now. How do I explain it just precisely, like a scalpel, exactly what I want to happen? Michael,
Find the square roots, then add.
how about that? Find the square roots, then add? I like it.
I was gonna say title.
It's precise. Tells us what to do. Questions?
Oh, I'm just gonna.
I'm not ready for that yet.
Okay.
Question? Okay. Maddie. What do you want to do here?
add the numbers and find the square root.
Yes, I agree with you. Can anybody, Brooke, can you just tighten it up? This one. So I like this. Find square roots, then add. What do you want to do over here?
Then find the square roots.
Add, then find the square roots. These are the two methods. You're either going to add them first and then find the square root, or you're going to find the square roots and then you're going to add them. And it depends on how the problem's given to you. 5-second count for questions. Michael.
What if it's negative 36?
So-
Would it be the same procedure?
It's the same thing.
Alright.
So I say add here. Adding and subtraction are the actual same thing. Subtraction is just adding of a negative. So when I say the word add, you could put add subtract in there if you wanted to.
Okay.
And same thing here. Add subtract, but it's the same operation.
All right.
At this point, we're going to do some whiteboard and markers. So make that happen.
we need our notebooks.
Keep it out. Brayden.
Mr. Barre.
Plug it back in here there. Go get a whiteboard. Nathaniel. Keep it out. Cassie. Brayden. Making sure I got the names in my head. Working on the names.
Mr. Barre. You wanna hear a joke?
After the lesson I do. Alright. Okay. Here we go. Slide number 9. Approximate this for me. Yes, 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 yes. After I say yes, do not erase your board. Just keep it there. That way when I come by, I know that I already gave you a yes. Yes, yes, keep it there. Do not erase it. Good, good, good. Just keep it there. I'll tell you when to erase. Perfect. So what's the next one? One more time after that. Good. Go ahead, erase it. I actually agree with your answer, but your mid-step was wrong. Not 47 minutes. Good, and let's show the world what happened here. So what am I doing? Adding it, and then taking the square root. Did I even have to go into the neighborhood?
No.
Nope. I mean, this one lives in your brain. This is one that lives in your brain, sitting on the couch, eating potato chips. Thank you. Erase it and do this one. Ooh. And I'm trying to mess with you, aren't I? I'm doing some math in my head. Okay. Yes, yes. Do you have another marker? Get another marker. That's what hard to see. Good, I like that one. I like that. Good, good, good. You see it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Right here. I got it. I like those two numbers. You lost in your addition. So 6.3 plus 3. Add them together. Did you get it good for me?
Yeah.
Get it good? All right. 9.5. I like 9.5. 9 point. You lost the ring. Did you go into the neighborhood? Let's find a neighborhood. What's the neighborhood? Do I need a neighborhood for this guy? No, because he lives in your brain eating potato chips. 3. Do I need a neighborhood here?
Yes.
Narena, who's this neighbor right here?
36 and 49.
Oh, and 49. Okay. And then Nathaniel, what's the square root of 36?
6.
Good. Lives in your brain. Carpenter, what's the square root of 49? 7. Also lives in your brain. I need something, I don't know, halfway, something like that. Ish? Yes.
9.5.
9 point. Oh, what's right here though?
Oh, 6.
6.5 maybe? 6.5. It's probably closer to 6.3, 6.4, but 6.5 would be fine. 6.5 plus the 3 takes me to a 9.5, 9.4, 9.3. I think all those are pretty good. Questions? Cameron?
No, I'm just
Air 5. Come on, get it up there. Boom. You want an Air 5? Boom. Boom. Air 5?
Question.
A question, okay.
Okay, so with the two things that we already did, here, let me find it really fast again.
Well,
Oh yeah, so when we did the same numbers but using the different things, so like say we did 40 plus 9 and then we did 40
So-
plus 9 and the same
so
thing.
those are kind of the two ways that
Yeah.
problems are going to come to us. Here, we estimate, add.
Yeah.
Here, we add and then estimate.
Yes.
Yes.
But once your answers are done, will it always kind of be close to
It
the
will be
same
close.
answer?
And on tonight's homework, I'm going to give you a range of values, and if you're in that range, you know you got it right.
Okay.
Because it's estimating. So maybe your answer is 6.3, and I said 6.2. We're both
Yeah.
good. Now, if you said, if I'm 6.2 and you're 6.9, that's pretty far.
Okay.
Good?
So the range of values, like say we got like an answer of like six, like this one, it would be like 6.3
So-
to like 6.
Yeah, I would say this guy, I'd probably go 6.2 to 6.5 would all be valid. Yeah, it's going to be a range. You're estimating, and you guys are doing a good job with this. Let's try another one. And on your whiteboard. Shut up, nowhere. Perfect. Beautiful. Integers. 25 minus 8 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. That should be 26. No, you're good, you're good. I'm just sorry, that looks like that's a 2?
Yeah,
Okay, we're good, we're good. Yeah, we'll run it. Perfect, magical, beautiful, wonderful. Rainbows come out. Crossed it right here. 25 minus 8 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. Beautiful, beautiful, magical. Puppy dog. Move. Good. Excellent. Fantastic. So what number did you take into the negative? 17? Yeah. And your answer is 75 out? Yes. And then you add this, okay, this 9 is inside, I get it, okay. This is inside, it's all 1. 25 minus 8 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. Good, 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 good. Good, good. All right. 5.1, perfect. 5.1. Do not erase the board because I'm going to need a board right now to show to the world. Do you still have your 5.1? That one's beautiful. I'll take this. Ooh. It's going live into the internet right there. Boom. So when you added the numbers together, you got a 26, and then she took the 26 into the neighborhood. Got a 5.1. Perfect. Ooh. How many times do you have to go into the neighborhood?
Twice.
Go into the neighborhood twice. And I'll sing inside my head. Who are the numbers in the neighborhood? The numbers that you meet each day. Is the square root of 28 a number of the neighborhood? I need to do it myself. Okay, so I go look at 3.9 on 13.
Yeah, that's what
And then on that 28, I'll go 5.2 times 3.
that's right.
I like it, that seems good. This is a 15, and I think you just read it as something else. 15 should be lower than a 4. Oh, right, yeah, check out the 15. I'll accept that, that's good. It's too low. Yeah, so where are we at? You had a 5 point? A 5.4 and a 15 would be close. You didn't go into the neighborhood, which is 15. You wouldn't be a 3. I like that answer. I like your 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 answer. I like that answer. Okay. Oh. You need to put either like a 0.9 or a 0.1. I like that. This one goes back 15 should be at 3.9. Good. Good. Brooke, good. Good. I put 5. I put it at a 9.2, 9.1, 9.3, somewhere in there. Let's do this one together. So 28. Get me some neighbors. Get me some neighbors. Eva, give me some neighbors.
For 28, it would be 25
And?
and 36.
Okay. Give me the square roots, Eva.
5
And?
and 6.
Good. And then approximate that for me, Eva.
5.3.
5.3, I like that. 5.3 is good. 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, somewhere there. 15. Give me some neighbors, Maddie.
9 and 16.
Perfect. Mark, right here.
So, wait, 9 would be 3.
Good. 16.
16 would be 4.
And look, they are super close, aren't they, Talitha? They are so close they could reach out the windows and shake hands. So 15 is practically here. So what would you put this at? Talitha?
3.9.
3.9, perfect. Add them together, and that takes us to a 9.2-ish. 9.2, right around there. Nice. Questions? 5-second count for questions. Griffin.
So in the range, I put 5.6 for some reason.
So 5.6, this guy, 5.5 would be the middle, and this is definitely lower than the middle. So that one, you might get marked off on a test on that one. So you should be able to at least go high or low of the middle. All right. Let me think about my life. Okay, I want to do number 13. What are you done, Samuel? We're on number 13. Cameron, hello.
To clarify, if it's in parentheses, does that mean it's absolute value or?
It's not absolute value.
Unless
This
it's in
is
brackets.
60 minus 12 plus 3.
Okay, just making sure.
You just work it left to right. 60 minus 12 plus 3. I haven't done the problem yet. Okay. Good, 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 good. Good. Oh gosh. Good. You have a nail in this. Good, 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 good. right about something like 49, 51, those two good places. It needs to be in the middle of the same thing. You put them up here, really close to 64. Everybody is up to that. 63 or something. So it moves you down. Closer to 7.2. Good? Good, 7.2. 7.1, 7.2. Did you get it?
I got 7.4.
7.4? I'd accept it. And now we're going to jump to number 15.
Ooh, that was
I can do this.
Exactly. Oh, I can do this. Yes, you can. Yes, you can, Brooke. Say it, Brooke. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Yes, you can, Jonah. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. It's everything good wrapped into one problem.
It just takes time.
It does take. Oh, boom! I got that piece. Oh, boom! I got that piece. Boom! I practically have that piece. That is the exact answer that I would have given. That answer is perfect. You can start on the homework. Cameron, you can start on the homework. No, yes, no. Show me the work that you did, because I can't find anything else. What's your answer?
Oh, wait a minute. What was? Oh,
Ah, you did exactly.
oh, minus.
60 plus 47. Square root of 25. You add it. Don't add it. Square root it and then add it. Square root of 48 should be 60. It's just a little bit more than 40, a little bit less than 45. So 6.9. Oh, so you lost right there. 11.9. Good. Start on more. Got it right here. What's 60 plus 42? 100. What's the square root of 100? Okay, so 10 minus 5 plus 6.9 from there. Perfect. Start on there. Got it. You know what? This is good. But you lost right here. What's 10 minus 5? 5 plus 6.9. Add those numbers together. 5.0 plus 6.8. Add those numbers. Gianna, that looks good. Good. Start on homework. Is that a 9 on that one? 11.6. Bless you. Oh my God. Okay. 7. Got it. So this guy right here isn't 7.9. Go into the neighborhood, right? 48. 49. 46. 6 and 7. 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4. Really close here at 6.9.
It's not in
7.9. That's good. Add it all together.
Right in. It's 0, 4 feet on that.
So right here.
0,
is
4,
110.
No, it's not inside.
Okay, what did you left right? So this is 10 minus 5
This one?
plus 6.9.
Yes.
So you lost it. Square root of 100. Square root of 25. So 48. Where's 10 minus 5? This is 5 plus 6.3. What's your final answer?
11.8.
Good. Start on homework, start on homework, start on homework, start on homework. Let's take a look at yours. Yeah. No. Start on homework. Hold. Keep your answer down and be with you in a moment. Right. So this is 60 plus 40. 60 plus 40. Okay, so I'm going to do the square root of 100. Minus the square root of 100. Lots of this. What's the square root? And if this guy was a possibility to add. That's 10 minus 5. If that's what you had,
I was confused because of the negative.
Yep, and that's gonna keep popping. Got it. So this should be 10 minus 5 plus 69. 10 minus 5 plus 69. Get that, and then show me your answer. Start now.
Homework on this page.
Yeah. Just start on the next fresh page. You may.
Wait, I'm confused on what we're doing.
Homework is in Google Classroom. Homework number 4, I think. So after every lesson, I have another file that tells you what the homework is. And sometimes the file itself is the homework. Cassidy. Do it on the next page. That's a good question. What do you have now? 11.4. 11.9. You know what? It's because my 9 was like a 4.
Yeah.
Okay, we're good. Okay. So we're done. Who's gonna come out here and tell everyone to subscribe? You've already done it. It's gotta be somebody that hasn't done it yet. Okay, Cassidy. Here we go. Cassidy's gonna tell everyone what to do. Do you know what to tell them? Look at the camera. Tell them what to do.
Make sure to subscribe to his channel
And like.
and like.
And anything else?
Rick 5 stars.
And if and if you want to, just like bring me a burrito also. All right.
Anyone to-
Bye. And one for Cassidy.